The repairs you are about to see are made by a real homeowner. Some t-shirts were ruined in the making of this video. Please try this at home. An all too common scene in homes across America. An able-bodied homeowner getting an estimate from a handyman. Except this case ended differently. The handyman saw a promising quality in this homeowner and entrusted him with a special toolbox. The homeowner was skeptical at first, but felt compelled to open it due to the generosity of the handyman. Hidden deep inside were tools of a different kind, forgotten by so many homeowners. The homeowner felt an empowering sense of confidence upon reflection. Fear no longer held him back. The project was filled with frustration and a feeling of hopelessness. But in the end, the homeowner felt the satisfaction from a job done. To rediscover the forgotten attitudes of home repair before your next project, go to REPAIREL.com today.